In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a digital product on ConvertKit. We'll walk through everything from connecting your payments, to creating your product, to customizing the checkout and confirmation pages so you're ready to start making sales. First, log into your ConvertKit dashboard. In the top right corner, look for your profile icon and display name. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Settings. On the settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the option called Commerce. Click that. Inside Commerce, you'll see a button that says Set up Payments. Click this, and the page will reload and prompt you to log into your Stripe account. Connect your Stripe account by following the prompts. Once that's done and connected successfully, head back to your ConvertKit dashboard. Next, look at the main navigation bar at the top and click on Earn. A submenu will appear. From there, select Product. This takes you to the Products page. Here, click on Create a Product or plus New Product to start setting up your digital offer. Now it's time to configure your product. Under Product Details, type in your product name. Then choose whether this will be a one-time product where customers pay once and have access forever, or a subscription where they pay on a recurring basis until they cancel. When you've made that choice, click Next. On the product price screen, pick your pricing method. You can choose standard for a fixed one-time price, pay what you want if you'd like customers to choose what they pay, or payment plans to split the total into installments. After selecting the method that fits your offer, enter the price or price structure, choose your currency, and then click Next. Under Fulfillment, decide how customers will receive what they bought. You can send a file, redirect them to a URL, deliver a newsletter, or choose something else. In this example, select Go to URL and paste in the link where your digital product is hosted, then click Next. On the domain name step, choose which custom domain you want to use if you have multiple connected, and edit the page URL to something clean and memorable. When you're happy with it, click Create Product. After the page reloads, you'll land in the editor for your product's pages. Along the top, you'll see tabs for your main product page, checkout page, confirmation page, and receipt email. On the right-hand side, you'll see styling options, including settings for headings, body text, background color, card corners, input labels, label colors, input background, border colors and radius, help text, and more. To edit any specific block or element, simply click directly on it in the preview on the left. That opens up the text field so you can rewrite the copy, and it also reveals any styling options that apply to that element in the right sidebar. As you adjust text, design, or colors, you'll see your changes update instantly in the preview, so you always know what your customers will see. Take a moment to go through each tab. Refine the product description, make sure the checkout form is clear and simple, confirm that the thank you or confirmation message explains next steps, and customize your receipt email so buyers know exactly what they purchased and how to access it. Once you're satisfied with the way everything looks and reads, go up to the top right corner and click Publish. Your digital product is now live and ready for customers to purchase through ConvertKit.